Welcome to Graham's Paint and Body Shop in Cartersville, Georgia. With over 20 years of experience in the car customization and hot rod and lowrider scene, we will provide you with the results that will surely amaze you. From ordinary repairs all the way to complete custom jobs, we got you. In case you were wondering, yes, these images are actual projects that we worked on. We offer paint and collision services for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, and anything else with wheels. Fleet vehicles, car dealerships are also welcome. We also provide services for custom airbrushing, spray and bed liners, wheel repair, painted interiors, and custom paint and body work. We are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. Call us at 678-767-1230, or better yet, come by and pay us a visit at 1071 Cassville Rd SW Cartersville, Georgia, 30121, right off of Joe Frank Harris Parkway. We'd love the opportunity to work with you and help you fix any problems you have, or help you turn your dreams into a reality.